Hello friends, you are welcome to my Goil Academy. I will teach you the full portion of the account subject for the standard 11 of all the boards. So I request you to see my all videos till the end. Please mention your complaints, suggestions and queries in the comment box. The details of this lecture in the description box. Please read it. Chapter number 2 of classification of personal accounts. Now, there are three different categories of the personal account. First one is the individual account and second is the artificial person account. It is further classified under the accounts of the business firm, in other words profit making firm, and another artificial person to accounts of the non-profit organization. Now first, what is the meaning of the individual accounts? Friend, accounts of any live person is known as the individual account. Just like Mr. Atul Sai account, Mrs. Rita Sharma account, Miss Vandana account, Dr. Avinash Patwardhan account, Dr. into bracket Mrs. Shobha Patil account, and so on. So these are the individual accounts. Then second category of under the artificial person number 1, account of the business one, in other words account of the profit making business firm. These are the first is the sole proprietorship, second is the partnership, third is the HUF, fourth one is the private limited company, and fifth one is the public limited company. Sole proprietorship means any trader want to start his business. Suppose Mr. A commences the business of grocery shop, then he just give the name Ram Provision General Store. So it is under the category of the sole proprietorship. So this is the artificial person, but it is managed by the owner of this firm. Then second is the partnership firm. As per the Indian Partnership Act, there are three categories of partnership firm. First is partnership at will, second is the partnership at particular partnership, and third is the LLP. In the full form is Limited Liability Partnership. This partnership firm managed by either all the partners or any one partner. Then third category is the HUF. In our India, there is a special category of this business firm is registered. It is known as the HUF and full form is the Hindu Undivided Family. So all members of this Hindu Undivided Family have legal right in the joint property of the HUF, and this HUF is managed by any one person of their family member, and he or she is known as Karta. The Karta is the manage the business firm of HUF. Then fourth one is the private limited company. Now friends, so many times you may read in the newspaper, sometimes in the TV advertisement, there is some name of the company you just mentioned, just ABC private limited company, and means any company in which their name in the last two words private limited is mentioned, it means it is the private limited company. It is managed by the board of directors of this private limited company. Then public limited company. Public limited company means any company their shares are listed on the stock exchange. These are the public limited company. And it is also managed by the board of directors. Example, Tata Consultancy Service Limited, Reliance Industries Limited, and so on. So this is the example under the artificial person 1, accounts of profit making business organization. Now artificial person second category, accounts of non-profit organization. Now what is the meaning of the non-profit organization? There are so many institute, corporation. This kind of institute or organization engage in welfare of the society. So first is the corporation. Now in the all big cities, all these big cities have its own municipal corporation. Just say for example, Mira Bhayandar Municipal Corporation. Then institute. Generally institute may be formed by the central government or the state government. Now in Mumbai, one of the very old and famous institute which engage in research of the vaccine and other different kinds of medicine. The name of this institute is Haffkin Institute. It is situated in Mumbai. Then charitable trust. Now friends, so many times when you just on the way you find some board in which the charitable trust word is mentioned. Just like Kandivali Education Society, Charitable Trust, and so on. Then Gymkhana. It is very familiar word. It's also engaged in some social activity or sport activities like that. So it is also managed by the group of the managing committee. So for example, in Mumbai, Khar Gymkhana, Hindu Gymkhana, like that. And club also. There are so many kinds of club. Say for example, Rotary Club of India, Goregaon Sports Club, and so on. Then association. This association also engage in the welfare of the society of different kinds of activities. Some association helps for legal advice and so on. Just for example, Mumbai Welfare Association. Then next is the cooperative society. Under the Cooperative Society Act, so many society are registered. These are the different kinds of society. Just like engage in their special kind of activities. Some cooperative society of the sugar factory, some factory of related engage in the milk product firm, and some kinds of cooperative society like cooperative housing society, industrial premises cooperative society, commercial premises cooperative society, and so on.